Imagine yourself diving in a coral reef. The sun is shining brightly above, casting shimmering rays of light that dance on the ocean floor. The water is a beautiful shade of turquoise, inviting you to explore its depths. The water is warm and clear. You can see for what seems like miles, with the visibility so perfect that it feels like you're floating in air. You see colorful fish darting in and out of the coral. They move with such grace and speed, creating a mesmerizing ballet of colors and shapes. Then you spot something strange. At first it looks like just another part of the reef, but there's something different about it. It looks like a rock. But it's not, it's an octopus. This incredible creature has the ability to blend in so perfectly with its surroundings that it becomes nearly invisible. The octopus is lying perfectly still. Its body is pressed against the coral, mimicking the texture and color of the rocks around it. Its skin is bumpy and brown, just like the rocks around it. This camouflage is its primary defense mechanism against predators. It blends in so well that you almost didn't see it. The octopus is a true master of disguise, able to change its appearance in an instant. But this master of disguise is very much alive. You notice a slight movement, a gentle ripple in the water as it adjusts its position. In the blink of an eye, it can change its color and texture. This ability is not just for hiding, it also uses it to communicate with other octopuses and to intimidate potential threats. It can even make itself look like seaweed or sand. This remarkable adaptability allows the octopus to thrive in its underwater environment, making it one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. As you watch, the octopus begins to hunt. It extends its tentacles, moving with a fluid grace that is both beautiful and deadly. It captures its prey with precision, showcasing its incredible hunting skills. After its meal, the octopus retreats into a crevice in the coral. It disappears from view, once again becoming part of the reef. This ability to vanish so completely is what makes the octopus a true master of disguise. Octopuses are fascinating creatures. They live in oceans all over the world. There are over 300 different species of octopus. Some are tiny, while others are huge, but they all have one thing in common: 8 arms. Octopuses are also very intelligent. They have big brains and excellent memories. They can learn new things just like we can. Some scientists believe that octopuses are as intelligent as dogs. How do octopuses change their appearance so easily? The answer lies in their skin. Octopus skin contains millions of tiny cells called chromatophores. Each chromatophore contains a sac of pigment. This pigment can be different colors like red, yellow, brown, or black. When an octopus wants to change color, its brain sends signals to the chromatophores. These signals tell the chromatophores to expand or contract. Expanding the chromatophores makes the pigment more visible, changing the octopus's color. Octopuses use their camouflage ability for several reasons. One of the most important reasons is to hide from predators. Sharks, dolphins, and even larger fish all like to eat octopuses. By blending in with their surroundings, octopuses can avoid becoming someone else's lunch. But camouflage isn't just about hiding. Octopuses also use it to hunt. They can sneak up on their prey, like crabs and lobsters, without being seen. When they're close enough, they strike with lightning speed, using their strong arms to capture their meal. Camouflage isn't the only superpower octopuses have. These incredible creatures are masters of disguise, able to change their skin color and texture to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. This ability helps them avoid predators and sneak up on prey. But their talents don't stop there. They also have a secret weapon ink. When an octopus feels threatened, it can release a cloud of dark ink into the water. This ink serves multiple purposes. It can obscure the octopus from view, allowing it to make a quick getaway. Additionally, the ink contains substances that can dull a predator's sense of smell, making it harder for them to track the octopus. When threatened, an octopus can squirt a cloud of black ink into the water. This ink cloud can be quite large, creating a significant visual barrier between the octopus and its predator. The ink not only confuses predators, but also acts as a decoy, allowing the octopus to slip away unnoticed. This ink confuses predators, giving the octopus a chance to escape. Imagine being a predator and suddenly losing sight of your target in a cloud of darkness. By the time the ink clears, the octopus is long gone, safely hidden away. And if that's not enough, did you know that octopuses can regrow their arms? Yes, you heard that right. If an octopus loses an arm in a fight or to a predator, it can regenerate a new one. This process is not instantaneous, but over time, the octopus will grow a fully functional arm, complete with nerves, muscles, and suckers. If an octopus loses an arm in a fight, it can grow a new one. Pretty amazing, right? But wait, there's more. The ability to regenerate limbs is a remarkable survival trait, ensuring that even after a close encounter, the octopus can continue to thrive and hunt effectively. Octopuses are also escape artists. Their intelligence and problem-solving skills are legendary. In captivity, they have been known to escape from their tanks, sometimes even navigating complex environments to find their way back to the ocean. Their curiosity and determination make them fascinating subjects of study. Their bodies are incredibly flexible. Unlike most animals, octopuses have no bones, which allows them to contort and squeeze through incredibly tight spaces. This flexibility is not just useful for escaping predators, but also for exploring their environment and finding food in hard-to-reach places. This allows them to squeeze through tiny spaces, much smaller than you'd think possible. An octopus can fit through any opening larger than its beak, the only hard part of its body. This means they can navigate through the narrowest crevices in the ocean floor, making them elusive and hard to catch. Truly, octopuses are some of the most versatile and fascinating creatures in the ocean. Section 6. The curious case of the mimic octopus. Some octopuses take camouflage to a whole new level. These fascinating creatures have evolved to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to both predators and prey. But there's one octopus that stands out even among these masters of disguise. Take the mimic octopus, for example. Found in the shallow waters of Southeast Asia, this remarkable species has developed an extraordinary ability to not just blend in, but to transform itself entirely. This incredible creature can change its shape and behavior to imitate other animals. Unlike other octopuses that rely solely on color change, the mimic octopus can contort its body and adjust its movements to convincingly impersonate a variety of marine life. It can make itself look like a venomous sea snake, a flounderfish, or even a jellyfish. Imagine an octopus stretching its arms to mimic the long, slender body of a sea snake, or flattening itself against the ocean floor to resemble a flounder. It can even pulse its body to imitate the undulating movements of a jellyfish. Talk about a master of disguise. The mimic octopus's ability to transform is not just for show, it's a crucial survival strategy in the wild. Scientists believe that mimic octopuses use this incredible ability to avoid predators and to surprise their prey. By adopting the appearance of more dangerous creatures, they can deter would-be attackers. This form of mimicry is known as Batesian mimicry, where a harmless species imitates a harmful one to avoid predation. By mimicking dangerous animals, they can scare off potential attackers. For instance, when threatened, the mimic octopus can take on the appearance of a lionfish, spreading its arms to resemble the fish's venomous spines, effectively warding off predators. And by mimicking harmless creatures, they can get close to unsuspecting prey. This clever tactic allows them to approach their next meal without raising alarm. Whether it's pretending to be a harmless flatfish or a benign piece of seaweed, the mimic octopus uses its shape-shifting abilities to its advantage in the hunt for food. The mimic octopus's skin is also a marvel of nature. It contains specialized cells called chromatophores that allow it to change color and pattern in an instant. This rapid transformation helps it blend into different environments, making it even harder for predators and prey to detect. The mimic octopus is a testament to the incredible adaptability and ingenuity of marine life. Its unique abilities continue to fascinate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike, offering a glimpse into the complex and wondrous world beneath the waves. Section 7, Intelligence of the Deep. We've already mentioned that octopuses are intelligent, but their intelligence goes beyond just camouflage and mimicry. They are problem solvers and can learn from observation. For example, octopuses have been known to open jars to get to food inside, even if they've never encountered a jar before. Some octopuses even use tools. They've been observed using coconut shells as shelter, carrying them around for protection. This kind of tool use is rare in the animal kingdom and shows a high level of intelligence. Section 8, A World of Wonder. The ocean is full of incredible creatures, but octopuses are truly something special. Their camouflage abilities, intelligence, and other superpowers make them one of the most fascinating animals on our planet. Their story reminds us that there is still so much to learn about the natural world. Every corner of our planet is teeming with life, much of it still a mystery to us. Section 9. Keep exploring. So next time you're at the beach or watching a nature documentary, take a moment to appreciate the amazing creatures that share our planet. You never know what wonders you might discover. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking questions about the world around you. Who knows what other amazing creatures are out there, just waiting to be discovered.